Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be reviewing the JBL headphones Tune 510BT. Alright, as you can see here, it's all been just been sent to me. It's nicely packed and packaged, as you can see right through. Okay, so in this video I'll be reviewing this device. It's going to be a review and unboxing of the device, and so you can see firsthand how this works. Okay, so let's begin. As usual, we'll start with supplying those who are specification crazy with information that they require. This is JBL, obviously. It connects wirelessly. It's got a microphone. It also it has a weight of 160 grams. It measures 22 by 20 by 5 centimeters. Right, and it is foldable as well, and this is able to connect to your TV, to your phones, regardless of the phone type. Into an iPhone, it will connect wirelessly. And also, just for you to know, this does not have the noise cancellation feature as well. That is not a part of its functions. And so those are the few things that you should know what the manufacturer says about this device before we go into seeing exactly what it feels like. It was manufactured in 2021, and which is just like last year, and since then it's been used by so many individuals, and they can attest to the fact that it lasts for 40 hours after it's fully charged. When after charging for about 5 minutes, it can last you some good 2 hours. So these are the claims made by manufacturers so far, and let's see exactly what's in the pack for us. All right, let's start by taking away this. Okay, take this away. So like I always say, I like the fact that it was well packaged with this to protect it. I believe this is from the store from where it was purchased. I believe that's really nice. And so it's not a function of the manufacturer, but let's go on, guys. Let's go on. As you can see here, guys, it's the Beats, JBL Tune 510BT headphones here, pure bass wireless. Okay. So you can see here, it connects via Bluetooth. You can see here 40 hours of battery life when fully charged. So these are like the selling points of these headphones, which is, you can see here on the pack, which is very good. It says here 5 minutes of charging can last you for 2 hours. Fantastic. This is what we want to know about headphones. You don't have to spend a long time charging before it serves you for a considerable amount of time. Okay. Guys, that said, let's go on to see what's inside the pack. Let's take this off. This is quite tightly sealed. This one. Right here, it opens up this way, and you can see that a lot of the JBL brands here of headphones look alike, but the packaging is quite similar with the packaging. The same kind of pack, the same sliding out, the same sort of pack description style. And then going in here, you can see it incorporates a leaflet here for the manual. So you can actually use this to help you navigate through using the headphones here. But as you know, and as I always say in my videos, we don't read the manuals on the videos. We don't do that. But one thing that we can do is to promise you that I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to be able to use these pair of headphones right away after purchasing. Okay, so let's talk about these headphones here. Turned upside down, as you can see right here, it unveils the headphones here. And these are the main things it comes with: headphones and this, and charger. Very simply, headphones and charger, which is like the basic set that most headphones come with. I understand that, but frankly speaking, once again, I want to criticize the fact that the manufacturers have once more not included a 2-pin or 3-pin plug with this. That's a setback, and it's becoming popular with headphones right now, and I hope that's changed in the future. So, but you have here, this plugs into your headphones and this plugs into the wall. So that's how you can use this. You can charge these pair of headphones right here. And I like the fact that it's of a different color. It's quite fanciful, you know. The color contrast is quite nice. Okay, but it still doesn't have a wall plug, so that's a problem. Right, so now let's dive into our headphones. So you can see here, it's been locked in by these sort of straps here. You can see that. I like the idea of this because this protects the headphones from falling off, you know, if it's carelessly placed. Okay, so now out of the let's see what this is able to do, guys. Right, so you can see here, these headphones are foldable, which is fantastic. I think it's nice. They're foldable, which means you can pack it in your bag this way and it feels flat. You can pack it close beside and above on top of it. That's great. But it's not just that, guys. Even when you have this around your neck, you can fold it this way to rest on your shoulders, or fold it this way, which is like normal, what people do every time. So these headphones here, let's talk about the functions. Now, as we know, this is the on button right here. You hold this to turn on. Okay. And after a few seconds, it turns on. As you can see here, it's already beeping here. It's on and ready for pairing. So if you set your device now, you would find this as I'm requesting to pair on your phone if your Bluetooth is on and you're around here. So that's how that works, guys. So that's the on button, back off. And then you have here the volume control, high and low. This is going to be different. So this is like up and down here. So it's separated by this knob right here. So as you can see here, it's JBL, and then JBL is notorious for having very shabby finishes for the surface here, which is the reason why I really think JBL should have a review generally. And they are notorious as well for having very small round holes to accommodate the ears. No one's ears are this size, guys. An average adult ears wouldn't be this size. I know children sometimes use these things, or teenagers use these things, but the ears are also not this shape and not circular this way. So I don't know why it's been made this way. I'm not saying headphones should swallow your ears, but I'm just saying that headphones should be in a sort of shape that laps properly on the ears. I think that's required for headphones generally, but these ones don't have that. Just a round hole here, but it's not very good. It has a right here and the left sign here, as you can see, which is a good thing. It means that they're conscious about the sound production. And so I always advise you guys use the right for the right and left for the left. And then you have here, this padding here is really of low quality. This padding is so much of poor quality, and if you had this in the rain once, it will wear out the next day. I can tell you that. I've used it before. I can tell you that these ones are not good quality at all. And speaking about the handle of this headphones, so the connector, the headband sort of the headphones, you can see right here that it allows you to extend it, which is fantastic. Great. It's not new. Most headphones have the same thing. This way you can extend this way, and I've done a lot of reviews of headphones, and these things are not new, to be honest. So we would say it's a plus, but it's old school. And so, and then you go right here, you can see that there's also a padding right here to support the head placement at the top. Now these are really soft, but they're not enough. This is not enough. Sorry, it's not enough to like give you enough padding. So it's soft, but it's really small. So we need more padding here, guys, to support for the head, because sometimes you don't want to feel the weight of the headphones directly on your head. So I know these are very light, 160 grams. It doesn't count for much, but we still don't want to feel these for JBL. I hope they're listening. And so looking here, guys, you can see that these are like very smooth here to feel. This is plastic, by the way. It's smooth to feel here, and I feel like it's good that it's smooth. You know, it's smooth. It's nice to feel. It wouldn't scratch you when you move around here. That's okay. But let's talk about these borders here. These borders here. I don't like borders that are very sharp here, because they are a hazard. You see, this is not as sharp as some of them, but it's still sharp. It's still sharp here. So you just actually, there you go. It's scratching me right there. So you can see the scratch signs here. That's because this is of a poor design. It should have been neatened at this point, so that when you did this, or when you do this, you don't really feel these scratch marks here. Because under high pressure, you would find that this could tear my skin, and it's not what we want, right? We don't want that for headphones generally. Let's talk about the extension here. These ones here. This is fantastic, like we said here. We applaud JBL for keeping these relevant in their designs. However, we also understand that these, obviously, see, it's loose already. It's already loose. We haven't even used the headphones at all, but it's loose already. So I can tell you that these will wear very fast. In a short while, you'll find that these will become very slack, up and down, up and down. And so these are the risk factors, or what you should expect to go bad. Not risk factors, sorry. But these could go bad very easily. These ones here could wear out very fast, like I know they will. So you better keep these out of moisture completely. I know the JBL brand, this one in particular, has not stated that it's waterproof, and I'll advise you stay out of water or moisture. If you want to go to the gym with it, you may do that, but mind you, it could fall off your head and get broken on the floor. So be careful how you use this around the gym, or walking around, or walking vigorously, or jogging and all that. These are not meant for workouts, so be careful, beware, be warned. All right, so that's pretty much the review of this device here. Generally, I would say that it's been taken well by the JBL community, except that people find that these wear out really fast, based on the reviews so far that I've seen on the internet. And I've used JBL before. I can tell you that these wouldn't last very long. I think JBL should spend more time and resources making these a higher quality, just so that we, the users, can enjoy the JBL. So let's talk about some of the comments people have issued in the past about these headphones here. Right. Is it good for listening to TV? This can connect it to your TV wirelessly, and they work really good. And I know headphones are generally for sound, right? For sound, but every headphone produces sound. I know sound quality differs, but overall, the JBL does compare very well. It does produce very sound quality when it's connected via Bluetooth. And I would say, you can hear that the manufacturers have given time to that, especially the bass. The bass is fair. It's fair enough for the price of this phone. And by the way, the headphones here, these headphones, they come in 3 colors, mainly the black, the blue, the white, and the pink. These are obviously the black ones. And this only costs $53.28 Canadian. So I think it's cheap. It's cheap enough. It's affordable by various standards, I would say. So I wouldn't expect JBL to be giving their best at this. So which is why I would say this is okay for its price. However, I think that safety should be always first for any device. All these should be neatened for any device at all that's been supplied by JBL or any headphone manufacturing device company. So overall, this is fair for the price, but watch out for these poor finishes right here. We could wear out and get your headphones looking scruffy in a very short while. And by the way, once more, these are not waterproof, and make sure these are out of moisture. Advisably, plug these headphones and charge them for as long as possible, just before you start using them at first, because once they're not fully charged, you may have problems with low battery issues when you just start using your headphones after the purchase. So plug them, charge them to full capacity, and then start to use them. Alright guys, this has been the review of the JBL Tune 510BT headphones, and I hope the comments I made here were helpful. I hope you're able to make an informed decision to buy these headphones or not. Alright guys, it's been a nice time hanging out with you. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video to your family and friends so they can stay informed about the pros and cons of this very pair of headphones right here. Alright guys, it's a wrap. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Peace.